Where's Van Dongen, mate? Actually had a pretty good sleep last night.
It's like a quarter spot. Yeah, I reckon I would have gone through the starter stuff with you. Like
yeah.
all the
Oh,
starter
yeah,
drills. Yeah. This is quite comforting.
What does he look like he's watching the horses at the moment? Bit like the greyhounds a few weeks ago, wasn't it? Yep.
Have I done the Usain Bolt breakdown with you?
Oh, no, you haven't actually.
haven't
This
I?
is new.
Tap, tap, hold.
Oh.
Ground's gonna hate you, mate.
Yeah.
We're gonna start with 1 foot up. Genuine force.
Knee doesn't hurt as much as last time. Thank God for the breather. In a wheelie bin, push me around the oval. I'll turn the watch on, we'll get the K's up, we'll be sorted. Beautiful. Oh yeah, this is gonna hurt, I think. I'll give way before the knee does, I reckon. I said it felt good, but it doesn't feel that good. Oh, power, baby. This was Joel was here. There's so much I need to talk to him about.
Yeah, so landing more ball of your foot.
Yep.
You're probably almost there.
Yep.
Land on the ball, credit card on the heel, propel forward from there.
Sounds like a plan, man.